Hey guys, we are back and we are going to make millet pancakes.
This is banana chocolate chip and super grains.
And I hate this super grains.
Okay, what are the ingredients like?
There are no preservatives and no artificial flavors.
Okay.
No artificial flavors. It only has a rhino. No monkey.
Hey!
Carefully, it might fall.
Okay.
To make it, so first you take 1 cup of the powder that's inside, whatever you call it, pancake mix powder. I'll just call it pancake.
It's baking soda.
Pancake.
Now what?
Pour all this in. We need the milk and make sure you pour it slowly properly and make sure there are no lumps in it. You have to stir it slowly and properly and make sure there are no lumps in it.
Now let it sit for 5 minutes before we cook it.
She's kind of shy and I better go and get the bread till then. Sorry, not the bread, the butter. I'm the greatest fan of butter. I think I'll get cholesterol if I eat too much of butter already. But I'm not that age. How heavy is the butter? Somebody please close the fridge.
So I close the fridge.
I cannot. I have to hold it. I will spare you butter for later. I will spare you. Look at the glory in this. Wow.
It's on the gas. Important to have grown up with you.
Oh.
I will do it. I'm bigger than you, sorry.
Hey! I want to do it for once. Now the gas.
Now put the butter.
Now the gas is on. Now we'll put the butter.
I need to put the butter. Cut off. I don't want my hand to burn. Oh, it barely burnt.
And don't forget, you cannot do this without a grown-up.
Wait for it to cook now.
Take a dish.
Drizzle some honey on the pancake.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
This is the best waffle. This is the best pancake I've ever tasted. Nom nom.